In this video, you will learn how to enter donations in Quickbooks for non-profits. First, set up a donor as a customer. Go to Sales and Customers, click New Customer, enter the donor's name and the contact information, then save the record. Create a donation income account. Go to Settings and Chart of Accounts, click New. For the account type, choose Income. For the detail type, select Non-Profit Income or Donation. Name it something like charitable contributions or donations, then save and close. Record the donation as a sales receipt. Click New, then click Sales Receipts. Choose the donor or the customer and the payment method. Under Products and Services, enter Donation. Assign it to your donations income account. Enter the amount and click Save and Send, and then close it. Categorize the bank deposit. If you receive a donation directly into your bank and see it under Banking, click Add or Match if it's already recorded. Make sure the category is under Donation Income Account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.